When it comes to fashion, ladies from the hilly district are not behind. Daughter of Let Khorsing Lekthe and Manai Terangpi, Miss Jintajin Lekthepi grabbed the second Miss Tekelangjun 2019 title. The 21-year-old Jintajin Lekthepi is hailed from Difu Rongjangpong, and she is the student of Guwahati Aryan Nursing College. Meanwhile, the second edition of Miss Tekelangjun 2019 was organized by Nura Club. The event was held on occasion of the 27th edition of Zonal Karbi Youth Festival 2019. Also, Miss Jintajin Lekthepi is the first runners-up of Miss Karbi Anglong 2018. Miss Jintajin Lekthepi is a cultural influence lady. Her father, Let Khorsing Lekthe himself, was the member of Karbi Cultural Society, who passed away in the year of 2005.
He is a member of Karbi Cultural Society as well.
Jintajin Lekthepi has a social-minded personality who always want to see her Karbi community in under the one umbrella.
Ining isipan do Tekke lekona siyempre kalong po.
Jintajin Lekthepi wants to become a nurse in her career. And now let's listen in what Jintajin Lekthepi wants to say about the beauty pageant. Miss Jintajin, welcome to Cut News.
Thank you so much.
So my first question to you is, being a science student, why you are choosing such profession as you are, doing a fashion profession? So why you are doing so?
Okay, so this question is really common. Like this question was approached to me since I've joined this profession. For example, after passing matriculation, there was a choice of choosing science, commerce, and arts, but still I choose science. Okay, but still my scope was, like my parents were saying to me, like, if you choose arts, that will be more better for you, because my arts marks, like for example social studies and all, were more better. But then during the interview, the same question, even our principal, Don Bosco principal, he asked me one question. Jintajin, he knew me, and he asked me, why you want to choose science? Then my answer was, it was really funny. I told him, like, Father, I really don't know nothing about science. That's why I want to become a science student. And I don't know why, like, he chose me, and I got selected in that that course. Then I wanted to say, answer to your question, okay, then why? Okay, I believe that science students are really creative, and there is no such like profession or line or job which a girl like stop her to do for like fashion or any beauty pageants and all. I don't think so, because any girl who thinks that she deserves, or who thinks that she have the power, energy to win the crown, to be the winner, she should go for it. There is no like obstacle for her. Okay, there are some family members who used to stop that you should do in medical line, you should go for engineering. Why all this? They should not stop her. Like my perfect example will be Manushi Chiller. She's a medical student, she's a doctor. She'd go for it, and now just see, she is the winner of Miss World 2017. So how proud her family, her parents would be. So we should not like give exception or any reason why we should not do. If we can, we should go for anything, not only beauty pageants, anything which we can, which we think that we could do it.
Okay, so my next question to you is, I suppose if you are given to speak in front of the world leaders, what you will going to speak then?
Okay, that one is a very funny question. There are so many things to say to the leaders. There are so many problems arising nowadays, not only in Karbi Anglong but the whole world. Okay, but the funniest part I want to explain. See, I don't have much knowledge about politics. Okay. So if I speak on also, there will be something which is not matching. So I just want to say something which is I'm clear about. There are 2 points. First, I want to say is that together, if you're united, we stand. But if we're separated, we fall. So, like we used to say, in many of our Facebook posts, status and all, we used to see that like, ining isipan do Tekke lekona siyempre kalong po. That is one point. Ahok lang matidi. Chingruman bate ko na si Jakong do po. Non kaya nutin sa idea ka prek, apini kiklem GSI, aning kahang ka prek. Lason ki chok jeep si pupumatidi. So that's the one point, unity. If you can unite, that is much better. Okay, point number 2 is, okay, dear leaders, if you cannot do something great, or you are like what you cannot do something for the people, your own people, what we expect they're doing, but they're not standing to your expectation. That is also the truth. So if you cannot do nothing for the people, at least do for the world. Non lom klang bom lom plastic use nang ni pollution ko on the world manipirte ka heng no lang ki heng no tomon ki heng no dudomatidi. So if they can just take like the responsibility of the world, if they can take any steps regarding the pollution, it'll be far more better. So these 2 points I just want to say to the leaders, that number 1 is the unity. Number 2, take some steps regarding the world pollution.
Oh yes. And the next question is, what is the thing in your career and you have done a mistake, and that is the thing that you don't want to repeat in your life?
Okay, there are so many things, but one particular thing which I just said about confidence. If you can do it, if you believe you can do, just do it. There's one point in my life when I used to love singing, because my father, he's no more with us, late Korsing Lekte. He is a guitarist, even a singer. He is a member of Garbi Cultural Society as well. So he is into like all these things, singing and all, and even my mother used to sing very beautifully. But then I thought that even my parents can do that, then I'm their blood, why can't I? So when I was in high school, I used to go for singing, group singing and all, but then I realized, no, this is not my cup of tea, I cannot do it. I really have a very bad voice, so this is a thing I don't want to do in life.
Okay.
I still want to do it, and I have confidence like still that I can do it, but I don't know, I know my own voice. I can't. I won't do.
Alright. And since you are choosing this profession as perhaps you are aiming to do a model, so in your view, now people are doing in different activities as you are choosing these activities, and also perhaps there may be people who may be choosing a doctor, maybe engineer, different profession, right? So in your point of view, what profession do you think deserves as a higher salary?
Okay, this question is like a Miss World winning question.
Okay,
because
you can consider that.
I remember, okay, I'll repeat once, Manishi Chiller, she got this question and she answered that the profession which deserves the highest salary is mother. But though like I know the answer, I cannot give this explanation because she is another level. Maybe I'm lower or anything like nothing like that, but I should give another reason or explanation or answer to the people. So see, I won't say about any other profession. I don't, because I can say a father, a mother, a sister, a brother, a politician, or the soldiers which are taking care of our nation, of our world, I can say. But the thing is that I know them, but to how much extent do I know them? So right now I will answer that I'll go to my own profession line. I'm a BSc nursing student, so I don't know much more about the profession of a teacher. I respect them, a teacher, a soldier, but I want to just speak up about a nurse. So according to me, a nurse also, I don't say that it's the only profession, but I say that a nurse should like given a very high salary or the high respect, because I know I'm working into this profession. How people have the view in this profession are really disappointing for me, because in other places I don't know how much it is, like the thinking is how, but in our place I know that a nurse is just a nurse. It's something below a doctor. But after joining this profession, I knew that it's not like that. We have studied the same book, the same theory, the same practice we have done. It's only that where our name doesn't join with the DR, doctor, that is the point. But I know how much struggle, hardship we have gone through to complete this 4 years or 3 years or 2 years joining this nursing to care people, to help people, to cure them, to be with them in their hardest days. So I think the nurse should also, it is my answer, nurse.
Okay, now the next question that I'm going to ask you, that this is not given to you, this question is not given to you, but I'm asking you right now. So what you are going to do in the days to come, since you are choosing this profession, and I mean, I would like to ask you that what you would like to encourage the younger generation who always look forward to become into the yes.
Okay. So first of all, I want to say, like, I have joined this thing, like beauty pageant thing. It's not for that I want to do modeling. It's not that I'm interested in modeling. The thing is, I want to win hearts. I want to see that crown on my head shining, because I have a belief. Some may say it's overconfidence, but I say I have a belief, not confidence. I'll say that I have a belief that by winning this, I can do something. I have the power, I have that intelligence, that ability to win that crown, because I just don't see that crown like something which is like just jewelry or the amount of money, just like, okay, if I can have it, then I can buy my luxury shoes or clothes. It's not like that. For me, even if you don't provide me that crown or that certificate or money, for me, my title is more important. So like, there are many girls in Karbi Anglong. I'll talk about my area. There are many girls who are interested, who want to do this thing, but I want to ask them, do it if you think you can really do it. Just don't do for the sake of fame. Don't just do simply the sake of money amount that you're getting. No, it's not like that. Because if you're so interested, you should be inspired from something. You should see what the Miss World and the Miss Universe did when they won the title. Here we don't have such powers to take some great initiative, to do something for the people, because we don't have that power. But at least we can, even like, if others don't give power also, we have power within ourselves. We can do something great if we want to do. So I want to encourage the girls out there. Right now also, Miss KYF and Miss Karbi Anglong is on the way. Yes, it will be held in the month of November, the finals. So those who are interested can also join. But I want to tell them, don't just simply go to the pageant because you're beautiful, because your height is there, because your skin is glowing or your hair is like shining. Don't do that. If you think you really deserve, if you think you have the ability, just go for it. No one can stop you. You will win the hearts of people. You won't win only the crown, only the amount of money, but you will win hearts. You should do that so that people will be proud. If you got nothing also, at least people will say, that girl, that contestant number was really very great. At least they will appreciate you even if you don't want the title. So I want to say that if you want to join, just join with your heart, not with the thinking that, okay, if I join there, I'll win there, I'll get fame, people will know me. No, it's not. It should not be like that. That's not a quality of a winner. That's not a quality who should win the title. If you win by chance also, if you win also, don't think that you're a winner. No, you're not. Because if you don't possess that quality, I don't think that she is like, purely or 100% the winner of that particular beauty pageant or anything, any sports or elections or anything. Yeah.
Okay. So that is Jintajin Lektepi. She recently won a Miss Tekelangjun award, which was held at Tekelangjun on occasion of the 27th edition of Journal Karbi Youth Festival 2019. And thank you so much to be here, Miss Jintajin. And we will definitely pray for you that in the days to come you will be achieving everything whatever you striving for. So for the moment, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this show. And to get a lot of updates and more news, keep watching Cut News channel. And for the moment, bye for now.